Hi, it's your pharmacist Soonkie here. How's everyone going? So I haven't been making vlogs for a while now, and I thought this is a good time to make one as it is less crazy in the pharmacy now. Like the past few weeks, it has been really crazy. Like everyone have been panicking, coming into the pharmacy, buying, stockpiling their medications months ahead, and that created some issues for some people who is not panicking because they missed out on some of the medication and their essential medication. I've been stockpiling children's paracetamol and also the Ventolin, the salbutamol. Now, luckily, the government has put an end to this. Now, everyone is only allowed to buy 1 month supply of their essential medication, and every customer is only allowed to buy 1 bottle of children's paracetamol. As for Ventolin, like your salbutamol, Asmol, it will be dispensed by the pharmacist, so the pharmacy will put a record to know that which customer has already purchased it to limit the supply. Children's paracetamol is no longer on the shelves. Like you will notice that many of them will be behind the counter, so you would need to ask the pharmacist for it. So don't panic when you see there's nothing on the shelf for children's paracetamol. Just ask the pharmacist for it. Oh, by the way, I just realized that I haven't even explained what children's paracetamol is. Children's paracetamol is like the Panadol, yeah, and salbutamol is where like Ventolin and Asmol, it is an airway opener. It helps to open the ears for people to breathe. Now, I've also made 2 very important videos to help combat this virus, this crazy virus that's going out there. They are how to wash your hand video. That's very important. Now, washing your hands is just not simply dip your hands in some water, wet your hands, and that's about it. It's there's a technique to it. I have followed the WHO guide to make this hand washing video. I will put the links down below for you. And also another very important video about how to make hand sanitizers. I know everyone is trying to get their hands on hand sanitizers, and it's very hard to get at the moment. Now, for DIY hand sanitizers, it is very important that you follow a trustworthy recipe that will give you at least 75% concentration of alcohol. The video that I've made will give you the correct concentration, so check them out. I'll put the links down below for you. I followed WHO guidelines on how to make DIY hand sanitizers. Now, if you haven't already know about me, check me out. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can find me on Soonkie, Soonkie. Now, for Facebook and Instagram, my handle is @SoonKieOfficial. So check me out. I shall see you guys later. Bye bye.